This is exactly what I eat in a day living in the USA to stay healthy, fit, and full of energy. No crash diets. Breakfast. My morning starts simple but powerful. I eat 2 eggs, oatmeal with banana or berries, and black coffee or green tea. This high-protein breakfast keeps me full for hours and helps avoid junk food cravings. Mid-morning snack. Later, I take a small snack like an apple or banana with a handful of almonds. This keeps my energy stable throughout the day. Lunch. For lunch, I usually have grilled chicken or turkey wrap with a fresh salad. I add olive oil dressing for healthy fats. This balanced meal keeps me active and focused. Afternoon snack. In the afternoon, I go for Greek yogurt or a protein shake. This helps me stay full and avoid unhealthy fast food. Dinner. For dinner, I keep it light but nutritious. Grilled salmon or chicken breast with steamed vegetables and a small portion of brown rice or sweet potato. This helps my body recover overnight. And this is not a strict diet. It's a simple, healthy lifestyle anyone can follow in the USA.